Yeah, one. I down for any war. Moya, friends, I be too cool. Yeah, one. I down for any war. Moya, friends, I be cool. Yeah, one.
Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy Gamingcanvic again. Welcome back to your favorite YouTuber, your favorite Gamingcanvic. We are in Black Friday week. So, guess what we're gonna do today, yeah? What? Guess what we're gonna do today, yeah? Today I will be spending $50 on this Vova, alright? So, firstly, you know, I'm not promoting this app, and also it's not an advert. I just, you know, chose to do the video over there. So if you guys wanna pay me, it's alright, but you know, you don't need to, you know, cause your boy got you. Ladies and gentlemen, your boy Gamingcanvic is about to spend $50 on Vova on my phone. By the way, only $50. Let's see how many things am I gonna buy, how much will they cost, and you know, if they are even real. Okay, let's go home. Boom. Okay, so if I scroll down, let's see. Bro, what the heck? Wow, bro. Oh, Black Friday is over here. If you click, let's see over here. Black Friday, baby. Oh shit, what can I get? Okay, cash. You can see MacBook. Oh my god, for €0. What the fuck? Yo, this app, bro. Okay. Yo, TV, iPhone and all that. Okay, let's click on MacBook because I need a MacBook to be editing my videos. Okay, so boom, MacBook. $1 gift. Oh my god, you can buy iPhone for only €3. Samsung TV, iPhone 11, PS4. You can buy all. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time. Let's go for iPhone 11 because I need a new phone. Okay, this phone is trash. €5, bro. Okay, my PayPal is over there. Boom, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I need to, okay, so as you can see, it's now in my cart. I'm gonna buy it later. Well, okay, let's go for, I'm spending only €50. Okay, let's go for PS4 because I need a PS4 Pro. Okay, so let's go place order. Okay, let me enter my PayPal. So now we have only we have spent like only €6. Okay, as you can see, I got PS4 Pro and iPhone 11. Let's go. How many gifts can I buy? This is just amazing. Yo, this is amazing. Like Black Friday, baby. Let's see. What can I buy? Nintendo Switch. Oh my god, bro. Nintendo Switch, baby. Okay, so I'm going. It's like €1. Bro, what the fuck? It's the most cheapest shit I've ever seen in my life. Okay, I'm gonna buy 5 Nintendo Switches. And yeah, give it out. Okay, so let's place order. Boom. Let me enter my PayPal. There we go. There we go. No, wait. Oh, I didn't buy it. Come on, bro. Wait. I am a guy, you know, who likes to wear shoes. Okay, let's go to shoes, alright? Let's go to shoes and let's see how much money. Let's go to hot list. How much shoes can I buy with $50? Alright. Ooh. I'm gonna buy this one. Bro, this app is really great. Let's see. I'm gonna buy this white one. And there we go. Let me go to star 2, star 3, 4. There we go, white one. Black Friday, baby. Make sure you buy something. Spend money on your family, alright? Okay, so €22. Okay, let's see. Select size. My size is 44, and I got big feet and the big mountains. Boom, add to cart. So how much? So we have €22 left, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, let's see. What do I need to buy? Okay, I wanna buy. What? Look at this, your Gucci. We got this. Okay, wait. Let's go to. Okay, so I wanna buy something for my mom. So let's go over here. Let's go to the ladies. women clothing and order for Black Friday. Spend less money, get more less. What the fuck am I saying? What do I need to buy again? What do I need to buy again? Oh, I need to buy FPS. Oh, I need to buy a new camera. Okay, let's go. Let's go and search for cameras. Let's go for searching camera. Boom, camera. Let's see. Oh, we got drones. Okay. Oh, look at this big drone, bro. It's for only 22 euros, baby. Let's go. Alright. I need a drone. Boom, there we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have spent only 50 euros on Vova. Again, this is not any advert video, or I'm not promoting this app. It's Black Friday. I'm having fun, spending some money, getting some cheap things and order. This is about Gamingcanvic, your favorite black YouTuber. Again, let's go. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.
It's me and you. Never gonna stop till we take it to the top of the world.